High life.
Right.
Where is high life from? Where does it derive its roots? Or I mean, actually, Afrobeats actually yes. So clearly, if he starts championing and pushing this thing, whether you hear hip hop or he says it's Afrobeat, you can't deny him.
No.
Nobody is saying
Fela
we are not
doing Afrobeat. He was doing jazz. He was doing
Yes.
jazz and brought.
Yet he termed his music Afrobeat.
So the young man says he's doing high life. Unless you are saying that they should now open the high life. Yes.
Termed his music Afrobeat.
Yes.
Black Shy
What
has
is
termed his
Afrobeat?
music. No, please.
African beats.
Oh. Hey, maybe I don't understand you.
No, when you say that, we don't have our foot in.
You don't drink soup this
You see,
morning.
when you say we are not there or we don't have our foot in there, it means, or it will take a while. It means that we're looking at the King Promises, we're looking at the Kiddies, we're looking at the Drews, Camidos,
and they have these connections. All it takes is just a plug.
Yeah,
right?
but I'm saying that we have somebody in there yet. You see, us categorizing where he is, we should leave it for them. So are you saying that next year for the Americans?
No. So to tell us what Afrobeats are?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Okay,
Afrobeats is simple. African beats, isn't it?
No. You all free idea. Listen.
What is Afrobeat?
Oh, yeah, that's
what it is.
That's not the conversation.
No, what is Afrobeat?
Did you hear what he said? I said based on his based on his explanation, analogy.
But what was your analogy about?
What were you doing?
It was about what.
So it has to do with the blogs.
But Billboard, the boy is on Billboard number 12.
Who?
Yeah.
Black Sheriff.
Yeah.
As what?
With what genre?
As what?
With what
genre of music?
With what genre of music?
But you see, on your question, say whether we ever get there. What I realize that what they do with the Ames is that with their reach and how far it goes, they split it. Now it is bulk into one Afrobeats. We're gonna have male and female. That's what. Yes, for the Latin genre, that's what they do. They have the male Latin artist of the year, or male female. So the hope is that as we are trying to make inroads into this particular categories, hopefully they start splitting it so that we don't have the terms and then the
all of them boxed
in together. So they have this.
So usually it's about the numbers, all right. So you have 5 main areas. You have male, you have female, you have album, you have song, you have artist. So right now what we have ticked is the artist.
Okay.
So the album, the male, female, and then the song aspect that's missing for now, and it's the same with the K-pop. So they've just given the slots. They've only given it's just one. Mm-hmm. So the numbers is what necessitates whether you need to have an expansion or not. And so as a first or the foot in the door kind of thing, it's it's only right if the numbers sustainability is always key. So once they understand and they are clear that at the end of the day you can have more numbers. And
can you help me with this? I mean, it's not like this is just a screenshot, or if we need to go onto the site itself, because Wizkid is here and there's no genre here. It's number 11. Mm-hmm. Black Sheriff is number 12. No genre. So you see, I don't know what we are talking about. Mm-hmm. I don't know what we are talking about.
On which platform?
Billboard.
Yes. Which platform?
I get him. But even if
Billboard, what is it?
Chart?
Billboard.
Which chart? World chart sales.
So this world chart
sales. You know that.
No. What I'm saying.
I'm saying Billboard is sales.
Okay,
right?
so there's Afrobeats charts.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, so
music, R&B.
Which genre?
No, this one is world Billboard.
So
genre did it.
Yeah, so we understand that. But it's even now. The duration, I'm coming. The duration or the period of that what do you call it? AMAs.
Can you guys help us with this?
The period that AMAs looks at, I think it ends in September. So this is after AMA's period that they are looking at. The period of review. So Black Sheriff stuff is even after the period of review. It ends in September.
So maybe next year.
This cannot be part of it. So if anything next year. But if it's next year, the question is this: whether or not it's actually a fit, because we are saying that it has to be.
I would wish that they categorize everything from Africa
and Afrobeat.
Yes. It's African beats. I don't understand what you people are saying. What is Afrobeats? Let's define the thing.
So here is Opiesi Esther.
Yes.
Whose song is doing amazingly well.
Yes.
And because she's from Africa, you put Opiesi Esther because she's from Africa.
Yes.
Afrobeats.
under Afrobeat.
Yes.
Wo.
Yeah.
Ube penny.
Yes, me penny. Let me ask you a question.